A lot of people thought I wasn't even gonna make it this far. Like, if we're being real.
Fucking with us and you might hear a bang. Topping the charts, yeah, we're doing our thing. Taking these bars gonna drive me insane. Hating ass bitches, stay in your lane.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know, I'm Javon, and for those of you that do know, girl, you know why we're back. Today I'm doing a pizza mukbang. Ooh, yes, this looks very delicious. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting this kind of pizza, but I guess I got this kind of pizza, so we're gonna eat it today. And today, oh my god, I have so much. I have my sweet tea, I have some ranch, I have some tapatio, I have some sauce that I've never tried before, I have some chips that I might eat. I don't know if I'm gonna eat them yet. We'll see, it depends how this goes. Okay, I just want to take a bite of this, huh? Oh. If you know me, if you've been subscribed to my channel, you know that I usually don't wear makeup, but today I was just like, why not? I put it on and I was like, okay, let's do a video. So now I'm doing a pizza mukbang. Or mukbang. Girl, oh, this is so good. I'm pretty sure my lip is already messed up. Not gonna lie, I was eating a little bit before this because I was so hungry. I was like, this pizza's taking forever. And I'm pretty sure I already messed up my makeup, so yeah. I don't care though. It's whatever. I need a straw. Ooh. Tell me what your guys' favorite pizza is. This is pepperoni, but I love pineapple pizza. And I know a lot of you are gonna be like, oh my god, I'm about to click off this video, what the fuck? Pineapple does not belong on pizza, but girl, it's really good. Like, come on now. Let's be real. Oh my god. So one of my videos is about to hit 1,000 views for the first time. I mean, I already have a video that has 2,000, but it's a Lady Gaga video. I went to go see her live in Vegas. I don't mind that video has the most views on my channel because it's Lady Gaga, and bitch, I love Lady Gaga. So it's like, I don't mind that, but this is gonna be my first video hitting 1,000, and I'm really excited because like I only started YouTube like not too long ago, a year ago, and I have 100 subscribers, I think. Thank you all that subscribe to me. I love you guys. Thank you so much. It really helps me out. Oh my god. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't have put on makeup for this mukbang. Oh my god, it's gonna get messy. I'm thinking about taking this lip off, my lipstick. Oh my god. It's getting hot. Whew. Sorry, it's getting hot in here. My god. This is so good. I've been waiting for this all day. I was just like, I want this goddamn pizza, like. Okay. But, what was I talking about? Oh yeah. My video's about to hit 1,000 new accomplishments. I'm breaking records. My own records. My records. I'm breaking my records and I'm proud of myself. I can't wait until I hit at least 500 or 1K subscribers, but you know, it takes time, it's not just gonna happen overnight. A lot of people thought I wasn't even gonna make it this far. Like, if we're being real right now, there was a lot of people that doubted me, and they told me straight out. And I was like, oh, well, Girl, I'm gonna just keep doing me and look at me now, bitch. I have almost 130 subscribers and a video that's about to hit 1K. Not trying to brag or anything, but you know, I've kept my mouth shut long enough. I know you guys be watching my videos. You said, You know what? Never mind. Okay. Whew. I'm just gonna enjoy this pizza, bitch. Oh my god. This week was fun. I've been reacting to Little Mix and I love Little Mix so much. I recently, well not recently anymore, like a month ago, I got into them and I really love their music. I think my favorite songs are so far are Strip and Think About Us. I love Women Like Me, don't get me wrong. But like, Strip and Think About Us are my two bops right now. Those are my two go-to songs. Oh my god. Ah, yes. Pizza. Drizzle some ranch all over it. Oh my god. Should I put some tapatio on this one? Okay, no, wait, not yet. I don't want it. I'm just enjoying it like this. This is bomb as fuck. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. This pizza's really hitting the spot. Oh my god. That sweet tea is so good. Oh my god. I want this pizza though. Oh. How long has it been? Almost 10 minutes? What? It doesn't even feel that long. What the hell? Okay. I'm a really slow eater. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can hear this chewing. I hope you can for the ASMR people that really love the high intense chewing sounds. I don't know why that makes me laugh. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. I'm getting full. I'm getting full. I don't know if I want to eat another slice or not, but I might do it just for you guys. Just for you guys. I'm gonna eat another slice. No, I want this one. But this one doesn't, no, the cheese looks better on this one. Yes. Thumbnail. Hold on. Let me do this. Oh wait, let me get another one. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this pizza mukbang. Next time, I might do a Q&A so I can be answering questions while I'm eating. Unless you guys want me to just stay quiet and eat, I don't know, comment down below and let me know. Cause I don't know what you guys want me to do. If you want me to stay quiet, if you want me to talk. I could talk, I just need something to talk about, so I'll do a Q&A. If you want me to stay quiet, I'm fine with that, girl. I could just sit here and eat, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you love mukbangs and pizza, because girl, I know I do. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!